Hi, this video will explain the multi-tabbed widget for Blogger, which I installed on your design. If we look at this design I've taken, that I have designed, you will notice that we have tabs 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is your multi-tabbed widget. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add gadgets into this widget, and it's pretty simple to do. First, let's go to Edit HTML, and we're going to download the full template just in case we decide to change some things within the Edit HTML. We always have a backup. So go ahead and save this. I'm going to go ahead and cancel, and we're going to go back down to the design. When we're looking on our dashboard, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are your 4 tabbed widgets right here. I'm going to go ahead and add 4 tabs, or 4 widgets, or gadgets, I'm sorry, into it. So it's just like you would any other time when you want to move around gadgets. All you have to do is click on it and pull it, and that's all you have to do. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Go to my site, and we will have 4 different tabs. And if we look, we have the archive, about, followers, and designed by. And if you look here, we have archive, about, followers, and designed by. Now something I want to show you, and you have to be really careful with, is I'm going to move the design by, and I'm going to put grab our button into this widget. I'm going to click save, go back to my design, and I'm going to hit refresh. If you notice here, we have overage, or where it justifies to the next line. We don't want this. You really have to be careful on what your titles are. Obviously, if you have a wider sidebar, then you might be able to fit longer titles. But if you don't, then your titles are going to have to be smaller, and that's what we've done here. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to click on this, and I'm just going to put our button. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to hit refresh, and it should fit normal. I think that's it. The only other thing that I wanted to show y'all is to rearrange these 4 things, you have to pull one out and be able to move it. So for example, I just moved the about out of there, so I would have a little space here. And say like I want my followers to be number 1 in the tab. So I'm just going to move the archives down and move the followers, but you can't just move these within the 4 widgets and they move. And then let's say I want to put my Find Us Here button here. So I'm going to save this. Hopefully everything works. And obviously the Find Us Here kicked us down. So I'm going to go ahead and change this out. I'm going to move our button, and I'm going to put my about in there. I'm going to hit reload, and it should all fit. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me on my site, or if you're looking for another tutorial, please do not hesitate. I will be more than happy to do a video for you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.